Hi everyone, in this live session we're going to solve this equation which says a, b, c are positive integers such that you have 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c equals to 1, and then you have to find the values of a, b and c. So how should we solve this? You have three variables on left hand side and a number, whole number on right hand side. This looks really cute. 1 is really a nice number, but how should we solve this? So let's write down that if a, b and c, as you already know, they are positive integers. So I'm going to write that down. 1 over a plus 1 over b plus 1 over c is equal to 1, and you already know that a, b and c are positive integers. This is the very important point. Now suppose you have to take a is less than or equal to b is less than or equal to c. If a is less than or equal to b is less than or equal to c, then what do we have? We take the LCM. Our LCM will be a, b, c, and you have b, bc, plus you have ac plus ab equals to 1. Alright, now let's send abc the other side. We have bc plus ac plus ab equals to abc. So you've got something here. Let me just mark it like this. Okay. Now what do we see? This is the condition when a is less than or equal to b is less than or equal to c, and a, b, c are positive integers. As I already said, they are positive integers. So you can say that ac is less than or equal to bc. Also you can say ab is less than or equal to bc. So what do you get? You have bc plus ac plus ab, right? So you have bc plus ac plus ab is less than or equal to, you have c, bc and ac. It's bc plus bc plus bc. So you have 3 BCs, and you already know that BC plus AC plus AB is equal to ABC. Let me write it down. ABC is less than or equal to 3BC. Now you can cancel off your B's and C's. So A is less than or equal to 3. So you've got one value. Now let's see. Now you have three conditions. If a is equal to 1, a is equal to 2, or a is equal to 3. Let's find out. If a is equal to 1, suppose, when a is equal to 1, you have the same thing. bc plus ac plus ab equals to abc. We are solving for this. Now what if a is equal to 1? Let's substitute. BC plus 1 times C plus 1 times B is equal to 1 times BC. Then you have BC plus C plus B is equal to BC. BC gets cancelled, so you're left with C plus B is equal to 0. And you already know that b and c are positive integers. So you know b comma c are positive integers. So is c plus b equal to 0 possible? No, not possible. So I'm going to write that c plus b equals to 0 is not possible. Okay, let's try another one. if A is equal to 2. So if A equals to 2, when A is equal to 2, let's write down the same equation. What do we have? BC plus AC plus AB equals to ABC. Now let's substitute A is equal to 2 in that. So you have BC plus 2C plus 2B equals to 2BC. Now here you have 2BC minus BC will give you BC. So you have 2C plus 2B is equal to BC. So what you can do here is, let's bring it these two terms this side. BC minus 2C minus 2B equals to 0. So we can take out C common from this. B minus 2, and here you have minus 2B. So let's add 4 on both sides. Plus 4 plus 4. Why? Because if we take out minus 2 common, we are left with B minus 2, and that's the factor which we can take out common. So you have 4 here. Now you can take out, that's C minus 2 times B minus 2 is equal to 4. Then what do we have? As you know, 4 is a product of 2 integers. So, and B and C are positive integers. So let's write down the factors of 4. So you can have 1 times 4, 2 times 2, negative 1 times negative 4, and then you have negative 2 times negative 2. But as you know, B and C are positive integers. This term will be greater than minus 2. This term will always be greater than minus 2 because it should not be greater than minus 2. So when you have this term as not greater than minus 2, this doesn't apply, not possible. Negative 4 also not possible. So let's go ahead and write down what are the possible values for ABC. C, if B minus 2 is equal to 1 and C minus 2 is equal to 4, that's one condition. So let's find out. B will be equal to 2 plus 1, that's 3. C will be equal to 4 plus 2, that's equal to 6. And you already know that A is equal to 2. Let me write that. So you have A is equal to 2. So you've got 3 values for ABC here. A, B, C is equal to 2, 3, 6. And another condition. If B minus 2 is equal to 2, this one is equal to 2, and C minus 2 is also equal to 2. So you have B is equal to B is equal to 2 plus 2, that's equal to 4, and C is also equal to 4. And A, as you already know, that's equal to 2. So you have A, B, and C. Values for A, B, and C is equal to 2, 4, 4. So these are the 2 values you have got when A is equal to 2. It's 2, 3, 6 and 2, 4, 4. Now there's another condition. When you have A is equal to 3, what will happen if A is equal to 3? So let's write down. If A is equal to 3, sorry, again you have the same thing, BC plus AC plus AB is equal to ABC. So how would we solve this? Again you substitute A is equal to 3 in that. BC plus 3C plus 3B equals to 3BC. Now what do? BC, you can take out, you can cancel out 3BC minus BC, that will be 2BC. So we can have 3C plus 3B is equal to 2BC. Then bring all the terms this side. 2BC minus 3C minus 3B equals to 0. Next, we can take out C common from this, or you can take out B common from this. Okay, let's take out B common. So you're left with 2C minus 3 from this and this. Then you have minus 3C left. So I'm going to write that down. Minus 3C is equal to 0. Now what can we do is add both sides by plus 4.5. Plus 4.5 plus 4.5. Why? So that I can have 2C minus 3 again. So B times 2C minus 3, and then you have minus 1.5, you can take out common. Minus 1.5 times, you will have 2C minus and 3 left here is equal to 0 plus 4.5 is 4.5. So like this you can have two factors. So that is B minus 1.5, and then another one is 2C minus 3 is equal to 4.5. Now what can we do? Multiply both sides by 2 so that we remove the decimal digit. So let's multiply 2 times B minus 1.5 times 2C minus 3 is equal to 4.5 times 2 is 9. Now let's see, you have now you multiply this. 2B minus 1.5 times 2 is 3. We've got 2B minus 3 times 2C minus 3 is equal to 9, right? Now as you already know that B is less than or equal to C, what are the factors of 9? Let's write down the factors. 1 times 9, then 3 times 3, then you have negative 1 times negative 9, then you can have negative 3 times negative 3. So what we can have, these are not the possibilities as you already know, so you can have two possibilities. Let's write it down. When 2B minus 3, when this term 2B minus 3 equals to 1 and 2C minus 3 equals to 9. Let's find the values of ABC. So here you have 2B is equal to 4 and B is equal to 2. Here 2C is equal to 9 plus 3, that's 12. So C is equal to 6. You've got two values of B and C when A is equal to 3. So you've got A, B and C as 3, 2, 6. Now another condition, when you have 2B minus 3, this is all where B is less than or equal to C. 2B minus 3 is equal to 3 and 2C minus 3 is equal to 3. So what is 2B equals to 3 plus 3, that's 6, and B is equal to 6 divided by 2, that's 3. And here 2C is equal to 3 plus 3, again 6, C is equal to 3 when A is equal to 3. So A, B and C is equal to 3, 3, 3. So this is one value which you have got. This is another value for A, B, C which you have got when the condition is A, B, C. When the conditions is A is equal to 3. Now what can we do? What are the all possible solutions for A, B, C? Let's find. Now you've got, as you already know, that the condition is A is less than or equal to B is less than or equal to C. We are solving for this. So if it is A is less than or A is equal to 3, 2, 6, is that possible? No, because A is less than or equal to B is less than or equal to C. Here 3 is more than 2, so it's not possible. This solution is not possible. So A is equal to 3, 3, 3. Yes, we can go ahead with this. Is it possible? What are the solutions for A, B, C we got? Let's write it down. So we have got A, B, C is equal to, you've got 2, 3, 6. Then you've got 2, 4, 4. Then 3, 3, 3. If A is less than or equal to B is less than or equal to C. This is when if A is less than or equal to B is less than or equal to C. So the general solution for all these, what you can say, it's the general solution for A, B, C's are, let's write down. You can have a pairing of 2, 3, 6. Then you can even have, 2, 6, 3. Then you can have 3, 2, 6. Then you can have 6, 2, 3. So let me put 6, 2, 3. Then you can have 3, 6, 2. Then you can have 6, 3, 2. Then you can have 2, 4, 4. Then 4, 2, 4. Then you can have 4, 4, 2. And then you can have the last one, 3, 3, 3. So I think you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All possible 10 solutions for A, B, C. All possible 10 solutions for A, B, C. Alright, if you like this session, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining. Have fun. Bye-bye. Take care.